This is Mamata's and Meraz. Welcome to another solution tutorial of SolidWorks. Today we're going to solve this problem. In this problem, if we want to look at the 3D view, this is our 3D view of the problem, and then we have the 2D view in here. Okay, for drawing this view, first of all we'll draw this construction geometry circle, and for drawing this construction geometry circle we first need to find out this line. As you can see, this here to here the length is 21 and the total length is 53. So if we minus 53 minus 21, then we will get a length of 32. Then as it is equal for distance, then if we divide by 4, then we will get a length of 8. Okay, so each of these lengths are 8 unit. So for drawing this construction geometry circle, we need to draw a circle of having radius of 18.4 plus 8 unit, and from this circle center point I will draw a center line, and this center line has a distance of 43.5 unit plus 14.4 unit. Then I will draw two offset line, one is here and another is offset is here, and this offset has a half distance of 21 unit, so that will be 10.5 unit, then plus 8 unit. Okay, so after drawing that portion, as we have seen that each portion has a dimension of 8 unit, then I will offset this portion, this outer portion, and this inner portion by offset of 8 unit. Okay, after that has been done, I will extrude boss it to 13.6 unit. Okay, let's go back to our SolidWorks. So first of all, I am selecting the front plane from here. Now right click on it, now sketch, then normal to it. Then select a circle tool from here and draw a circle, and this circle has a radius of 18.4 unit plus 8 unit. Okay, so after drawing this circle, select the center line tool from here and draw a center line, and this center line has a dimension of 43.5 unit plus 14.4 unit. Then we need to offset this line. For that I am selecting the offset interest and then select this line. We will offset it about 21 divided by 2, so it will be 10.5 unit plus 8 unit, so it will be 18.5 unit. Sorry, we have missed the dimension, as it was a radius, so we need to multiply it. So this dimension will be 18.4 plus 8 unit multiplied by 2, because it is diameter. So now the dimension is quite right. Now press OK. Okay, so we need to draw same offset line this side also. So I'm selecting this offset interest and selecting this line and reversing the direction. Okay, now press OK. So our two offset line has been drawn. Now if we go back to our sketch, here we can see it has a fillet here and here, so we also have a fillet here and here also, and this fillet has a radius of 14 unit. Okay, so I'm drawing a fillet of radius of 14 unit. For that I am going to first use the trim away tools and trim the unnecessary lines. Okay, I'm trimming the unnecessary lines, then select press OK. Now select the fillet tools from here, and we need to draw a fillet of radius 14 unit. So selecting a fillet of radius 14 unit, now select this line and this point. Now we have gotten our fillet option. Now press OK. Now we need to make this geometry construction geometry. For that, right click on it and select the construction geometry option from here, and now select the lines that you want to make the construction geometry. So all those line has been made construction geometry. Now we will offset all those line as we have previously discussed, and from this center line here all the distance are 8 unit here, and here all the distance are 8 unit apart from here. So we will draw an offset of 8 unit surrounding both surroundings. So I'm selecting the offset entities and selecting this one, and make sure to dimension it to 8 unit. Okay, dimension it to 8 unit. Now select the bidirectional. Now select all the others lines also and complete the shape. So here we can see these shapes are closed, so I'm selecting the cap int. Now select the line tool from here. Now press OK. So our this portion has been done. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude boss. Now extrude boss it to 13.6 unit. So we will going to extrude boss it to 13.6 unit. Okay, and we will extrude boss it from the mid plane. Now press OK. So our this portion has been done. And then if we go back to our sketch, we can see this center line of the circle. Okay, or circle origin has a distance of from this bottom line is 14.4 unit, and here we can see along the right face it has a circular profile, and this circular profile has a radius of 28.8 unit. Okay, so from the right side I'll draw a circle of 28.8 unit, and then I'll distribute it to up to this surface. As this portion is circular, we need to trim this extra portion rectangular shape that we have drawn already. So we'll then later on trim this extra rectangular shape portion. After drawing this side, we'll also do the same thing in the other side also. Okay, so let's go back to our SolidWorks. Now selecting this side, now right click on it, now sketch, now normal to it. After that select a circle and place the circle to the center of this origin. Okay, now drawing a circle of 28.8 diameter. Now select the smart dimension tool, and from this circle center to this horizontal line the distance is 14.4 units, so dimension to 14.4 unit. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude boss. Now extrude boss, you can select up to surface or you can dimension it manually. I'm selecting the up to surface up to this surface. Okay, now press OK. So this circle portion has been done. Now isometric it, take it for a better view. So this time we need to cut this extra portion. You can see extra rectangular shape portion. For that I'm again selecting this surface. Now sketch, now normal to it. Then I'm going to draw the same circle again. For that I'm selecting the previous circle origin and drawing a circle here. Okay, we have drawn the circle. So we need to trim this extra portion. For that I am going to also draw this portion too. For that I'm using the convert entities. For that I'm selecting control clicking all the line. So control clicking on the line. Now select the convert entities. So all the line has been converted. All the shape has been converted to lines. Now select the trim entities and trim the unnecessary line that we don't need. So we have trimmed this circular portion. Now press OK. Now we have this triangular shape portion, kind of like two triangular portion. So we need to trim, we need to extrude cut this. For that I'm isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude cut. Now extrude cut it to, so zoom it here and select this portion and the other portion also. So as we need to also cut this side portion, so I'm going to extrude cut it to through all both. Now press OK. So all the portion has been extrude cut. So now we need to draw this same circular face into this side also. For that I'm selecting this inner face. Now right click on it. Now sketch. Now normal to it. So I'm selecting the circle tool from here. As we will draw it to the previous circle origin, so I'm using this circle as a reference. So I'm drawing this circle. Okay, so we've drawn this circle. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. You can see that this circle has been drawn into this surface because we have selected this surface as a sketch surface. Now select features. Now select extrude boss. Now extrude boss it to up to surface. I'm going to extrude boss it to up to this surface. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. So this extrude boss portion has been done. Now let's go back to our sketch. In our sketch you can see we have a circular cut here, and this circular cut has a diameter of 14 unit. So I'll draw a 14 unit diameter cycle, then I'll cut it to through all, and then later on we can see we have two fillets. One fillet is here and another fillet is here, and these two fillets has a radius of 6 units. Then we can see all the side portion here and here are fillet of 5 radius. Okay, for a better view, let me show you the 3D view. In the 3D view you can see this whole portion of the surface and other side of the whole portion of the surface has the same radius 5 fillet. Okay, we'll give that into later on. So first of all we are going to do the cut circle, then we'll give all the fillets. For that I'm selecting this face of the model. Now right click on it, now sketch, then normal to it. Now select the circle tool from here, and now draw a uh, Stuttgart circle of 14 diameter. Okay, now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features, now Stuttgart it to through all both. Now Stuttgart it to through all both. Now press OK. So our this portion has been done quite well. Now select the fillet increase from here, and this time we'll fillet it to 6 radius. So filleting it to 6 radius and selecting this 2 edge, and now rotate your model and select this other 2 edge. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. So as we have split this side and same also, so if we select this face it will split all the edges. For that I am again selecting the fillet tool from here, and this time the fillet is 5 radius. Now I am selecting this face, and it will automatically selecting all the faces because all the faces connected each other, so we don't need to select manually each edges. Now press OK. So our this portion has been fit in quite well. Now isometric it for a better view. For a better look, let's match it to our this isometric 3D view. So both match quite well. So as we can see, we have done our 3D sketch. Thank you for watching till the end.
Thanks for watching, and keep learning. Be different.